If your phone tends to get really hot whenever you're charging it, then you want to try these 5 tips I'm going to give you today. Excessive heat is one of the silent killers of your phone's battery. It worsens your battery health, it can throttle your phone's performance, and worst of all, it is actually a fire hazard. I'm sure you've definitely heard of a case or two of a phone causing a fire. That's a major reason why overheating should be avoided at all costs. Without further ado, let's get into the tips. The first thing you want to do when your phone is heating up like that is to take off the case. Phones generally dissipate heat throughout the backs, but if you now slap a case on a phone that is already hot, then the heat has nowhere to go. So whenever you plug your phone in, just take off the case for a little while. Basically, let your phone breathe. It's such a simple tip that goes a long way. Tip number 2 is to always charge on a hard, flat surface. You don't want to plug in your phone and then go put it under your pillow or on your couch or on your bed. In fact, avoid charging on any soft surface at all costs. A desk or a nightstand or even the floor is perfect for it. The third thing, this one is not something you should do, it's something you should never do, and that is, for the love of God, never charge under direct sunlight. I think this is pretty self-explanatory. If your phone is already hot and it's in a hot case and then you now put it under hot sun, that's a recipe for disaster. Apart from direct sunlight, don't charge in hot spaces in general, like a hot car. If you do that, you are basically slow cooking your device and it could be a major fire hazard. Make sure you are conducting your business in a well-ventilated space. Turn on the fan if possible or open the windows. Let's get on to the next one. Tip number 4 is to stop using your phone when it's charging, especially not for gaming. Absolutely not. Charging in general already generates heat in your phone. And then if you now add on something very battery intensive like gaming or maybe watching TikTok or editing a video, those tasks also generate heat. So it's just double trouble for your phone, and that is something you absolutely do not want. So put your phone down when you're charging, let it breathe, let it recover, and then after it's charged, you can pick it up and then do whatever you want on it. Tip number 5 is to try not to use fast charging all the time. Please don't come for me. We all love a good fast charging session. I know. But fast charging equals heat. The thing is, you don't need to fast charge your phone every single time, especially when you don't need it to charge very urgently. Keep your fast charger for times when you have to just charge and get out of the house sharp. But if you want to just charge your phone overnight, pick up one of your regular chargers. It is slower, yes, but it keeps your phone cooler and it's much gentler on the overall health of your battery. So save the super fast charging for when you have maybe just 10 minutes to get out of the house and you want to give your phone some quick juice. So here's the bonus tip, guys. Invest in very good chargers, original chargers. You don't want to go and buy chargers from the roadside and expect them to do your phone good. Obviously, they're not going to do that. Those poor quality chargers have terrible voltage regulation, which is a disaster for your phone. So you want to avoid those things at all costs. Try to buy certified chargers from the manufacturer of your phone or buy from very reputable brands. There are so many good brands out there that produce quality chargers, so you can patronize them. Make sure that you are not skimping on the quality of the chargers you use for your phone, because they could either make or break the battery health of your phone. Okay, here's another bonus tip because I'm nice like that. When your phone is really heating up while charging and you unplug it, reboot it. That quick restart will kill all the background processes running on your phone that could be generating heat as well, and it will allow your phone's hardware to settle down before you start pumping power back into it again. So now that I've given you 7 instead of 5 tips to stop your phone from overheating, it's up to you now to go ahead and give them all a try. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section, like this video, and subscribe to this channel for more tech content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.